What do wheel spacers do on a truck?
Ford Maverick wheel spacers will adjust the offset value after installation. The wheel position will be moved to both sides of the street to obtain a wider track, and the load on the vehicle during steering is more distributed due to the increased track. This will be more obvious for vehicles with high ground clearance when the load is more evenly distributed. The center of the vehicle will be more stable.
Most people add wheel spacers to accommodate larger tires. Without them, a larger tire, as originally installed, will often rub against fenders. Usually while the vehicle is turning or on the suspension components, pushing the tires outward helps mitigate this rubbing. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacers provide a perfect solution.
For more information about BONOSS Ford Spacers, please see the info. See you next time. Bye bye.